All right, we can all agree that getting your website to show up higher on Google's SERP, search engine results page, is important to win new business. They own 92% of the search market share, so the higher your website ranks in relevant searches, the better your chance of attracting customers over a lower ranking competitor. And the complex algorithm works constantly to sift and sort through billions of websites and online resources, ranking them based on topic, relevance, prominence, and performance. And Google's algorithm considers hundreds of ranking factors, also known as signals, to determine your business's worth of showing up. And now here are 5 characteristics of search-friendly website.
Emma, I want to do the first one and talk about fast load time. Now, if you're like most consumers, you close the tab and continue your search if a website takes forever to load. I know I do all the time. And by forever, we mean just a few seconds. Google strongly considers a website's load time, especially for smartphones and tablets. In fact, a study commissioned by Google found that the faster load times led to reduced bounce rates and higher conversion rates because fast loading websites create a more enjoyable user experience.
Now I want to get into the importance of useful and original content. The content on your business's website, including text, images, and videos, plays a vital role in helping your business show up on a Google search results for queries related to products or services you offer. So to beat competitors on Google search, make sure your website's content is as helpful and unique as your business. So be sure to keep your website up to date with a mix of content that might include educational blog posts related to your area of expertise. So like how to crack the perfect egg, if you're me. Also consider behind the scenes videos. I love these, and those are great to just show your business in action. Also consider using lots of photos of your products and services. Also products and service descriptions that distinguish you over the competition are key. And lastly, testimonials from satisfied customers. That is totally what helped me choose my dentist in San Diego, seeing those patient testimonials on the site. So what I recommend, schedule an hour or 2 or maybe even 3 to freshen up the content on your website as often as you can. It's an investment that likely could pay off on Google search.
The next thing you want to think about with your strategy here is keyword strategy. Now, researching keywords is instrumental in your ability to show up on Google search. After you go through keyword research process, decide on the main keyword for each page of your website, and then use that keyword in your page title, page description, page content, and the page's URL slug. And now, pro tip, increase your chances of showing up on Google search by using unique page titles and descriptions for each page of your website.
So you've definitely heard Neely and myself talk about the importance of having a mobile responsive design. Google stresses the importance of designing your site in a way that works with all devices and browsers because more than 54% of all internet activity occurs on smartphones and tablets. So if your mobile users have trouble using your website, guess what? They'll probably leave before making a purchase or scheduling an appointment, and they most likely won't return. Fortunately, most website builders, including GoDaddy websites, understand the importance of mobile-friendly websites. So if you've built your website recently, or let's say you're just getting started, your site should work well with mobile customers. And if you're using a more custom option, like WordPress, be sure to test it as you build. Open the website on your smartphone, just go and grab it, check now, or tablet, and click around, making note of improvements that you can make.
Then you want to make sure you have a secure experience. Now, when you are visiting a web page, the web browser you use is constantly communicating with the web server. As info travels back and forth between the server and your browser, hackers can potentially intercept it. And no one wants to be hacked, which is why Google places so much emphasis on securing your website. If you notice a padlock symbol to the left of the address bar, or you may see that the website address starts with HTTPS, both of these indicate that the website is secure, and Google appreciates that. And to secure a website, you need an SSL certificate. It encrypts data by making the connection between your browser and the web server secure. Whether someone is filling out a simple contact form, scheduling an appointment, or buying a product on your website, SSLs protect their information.
So let's face it, there are hundreds of ranking factors that play into your ability to show up on Google. And these tips can be used on your website, Google Business Profile, and YouTube channel to give you an edge over your competition. And remember that SEO doesn't just happen, and your placement at the top of the SERP is not guaranteed. Patience is the key to building your solid digital foundation. All right, that's a wrap, but your journey doesn't have to end here. We have over 300 videos for you to watch.
And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is The Journey, and we'll catch you in the next video.